Hi, my name is Tracy Collingridge with Momentum Realty, and I am in beautiful Loreto, Mexico. We are currently in Nopolo, and we are in a small enclave of custom homes built on the golf course, and these homes are located just outside of the Loreto Bay community. The home that we're going to look at today is a very spacious 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, huge 3-car garage, and a gorgeous pool and views. Lots to see. Let's go inside. Follow me. Now, just to remind everyone, this is a 360-degree video tour. This is interactive. You can look at whatever it is you want to look at, and by doing that, you just either swipe right or left on your screen, or if there's a little toggle at the top of your computer. But you get to pick and choose where you want to look when you want to look at it. So please keep that in mind as we go through the house. So this home has been extensively renovated on this main living level with travertine floors, beautiful granite countertops, all new custom cabinetry. And we've got lots of storage, lots of things to see. Let's go over into the kitchen dining area. Follow me. So you've got a huge kitchen, lots of workspace, entertaining space, a nice big dining area, and just off the kitchen you can see over to the right, if you were to swipe that way, the outdoor barbecue area. And in a moment, we'll also go and see the incredible pool. But while we're here in this space, I'll point out the stainless steel appliances. You've got gas cooking, and this home is literally, it's like a brand new house. And you've got all the appliances you need, and a really nice, I really love this, I think it's called barn style sink. Lots of windows and lots of light and great workspace. From here we are going to go down the hall, and we're going to see the powder room, some more storage, and we'll head out in that direction. Follow me. So as you can see in the home, the granite countertops and the travertine flooring is throughout. Right here is a really nice 2-piece powder room. And then to my right, if you're gonna have to swipe to the right, is the laundry room. Lots of that same custom cabinetry, the same granite countertops and the travertine floor. And then if you're swipe to the left, you have a pantry / storage room. And behind us, door number 4 is a surprise, and we're going to see that one a little bit later. But let's go upstairs and take a look up there. So now we're on the second level of this home, and this is where the bedrooms are located. So we have a second and third bedroom. They both share this bathroom. This bedroom here is a beautiful veranda and killer views of the mountains. This staircase leads up to the roof, and up there you'll see we have all the solar panels for the pool. One of my favorite things about this pool is you don't have to pay to heat it. It's heated by the sun. A couple other good features about this house is we do have a water softener. We have a cistern. Occasionally we don't have water, and it's nice to have that as a backup. And then another nice thing is for the months of the year, and there's usually about 4 of them, that you're going to want to use your air conditioning. This home is on 2 AC split systems, so you can have the downstairs on and nothing on upstairs, and then when you're upstairs you can turn downstairs off and upstairs on. Let's go see the master suite. Okay, now we're in the master suite. It's takes up about half of the second floor. It's a really generous space. I love the design of it. It's just needs your touch. And it wouldn't take much to turn this into as beautiful as the spaces we have downstairs. So just over to, if you don't forget, our swiping the rights and the lefts, this is a 360-degree video tour. Or there's a little toggle in the top of your screen with little arrows. That's another way of moving around on the screen so you can see what you want to see. Anyhow, we've got a gas fireplace. I'm not sure if I mentioned that downstairs, but downstairs we also have a gas fireplace, gas cooking. Let's go check out the spacious ensuite. So we have the shower, a nice big deep soaker tub. Again, lots of windows, easy access from either the master bedroom or from the ensuite onto this beautiful veranda that we will check out as well in a few minutes. His and hers sinks, and just around the corner there we have a nice big walk-in closet and a toilet room. Let's go see the veranda. Follow me, and again, swiping right, left, up, down. Check out this incredible view from your master suite. You've got the gorgeous Sierra Gigante mountains in the back. You've got the golf course. You've got the Sea of Cortez, and then you've also got some Loreto Bay in the background, and that's another little development as part of your view. And then, yeah, super private. Not a lot of homes on this street. It's quite a private street. There are some new homes coming this way with this in this neighborhood, which is nice to see. And you can obviously also take a look while you're here at the pool and how lovely it's landscaped. I have saved the best, as I like to do, the best for last, and I have two of them. Let's go check them out. Follow me. Look at this beautiful pool deck area, travertine that continues to the outside. You've got a three-piece bathroom, your pool room, gorgeous royal palm trees, another beautiful royal palm tree. This home also has some fruit trees. And again, one of the best things about this pool is it's free to heat it, and you're gonna get a lot of use out of this pool when you live here. That about wraps it up for this level. I have one more surprise. Let's go take a look at it. Follow me. Thank you for following us to the end of this video tour. Again, it's a 360 interactive tour. I do want to point out the garage. As you can see, you've got a massive 3-car or boat or toys, UTVs, whatever you want, you can fit in this substantial garage. There's also in the back a really nice little workshop. We've got some RV parking on the side, and this home pretty much checks all the boxes. Thank you again for sticking with us up to the very end. My name is Tracy Collingridge with Momentum Realty. We also have Momentum Luxury Rentals and Momentum Property Management. Please, if you enjoy watching our shows, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and our website is Loreto, Loreto.com. Thanks again. Have a good one.